Taking a written exam can be stressful. However, if you have a game plan on how you're going to attack each problem, we can make it easier for you. Our first simple test-taking technique is simply to read the question. Read every single word in the question. Every word has meaning. Read every single answer. Every word of every single answer. Then read the question again a second time. Then choose the answer that actually answers the question as written. If you don't know the answer, skip it. Come back to it. Answer all the questions that you know and understand first. If there's any questions that you have answered, don't change your answer. Normally, most people will have a gut instinct onto the correct answer, and their first instinct will be correct. So changing an answer on a test will usually lead you astray into the wrong answer. After you've answered all the questions that you know first, then read the questions again, the ones that you didn't answer. Eliminate any bad answers in those questions, and then choose one. A 50-50 chance is a whole lot better than 1 in 4. Plan on going through the test at least 3 times. The questions that you know, any questions that you think you know but skipped, and then as a final resort, if you're running out of time, you can always Charlie out. Good luck on your test.